I got it.
Folks! The answer's been staring us in the face all along. You wrote all three versions of In the Same Boat to fit the same orchestra score, right? Right. Then if all three songs fit the same arrangement, they must all fit with each other. That's what'll give this number the kick in the derriere it's been needing. This whole company singing three different songs at the same time. It'll make Fugue for Tin Horns sound like Frere Jacques. I want to run this thing now. The Broadfoot and the ladies try to reach the steamboat to Wichita before the farmers lose their land. It's just Isabel at the top. Gina, start it off slow.
In the same boat, on the same sea, shaken inside as the tide keeps rising. Nary a ship, nary a sail, nary a soul on the home horizon.
Here come a few cows paddling up the rocks.
Here we are, I should hasten thee. All the planks are sprigging a leak. We like to bail, but we forgot a bail, and we regret to say our business is gone, but somehow we still sail on. Because two had three had time as some fellow wrote, and what the heck, we're in the same.
Coming down, just in distress.